Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out the CD1 Charging Dock made by ANNAPRO. This is for your MetaQuest 3, 3S, 2, and Pro headset, any MetaQuest VR headset. It retails for $88 Canadian on their website, about $60 American. You can use my promo code BrianSloanArtist for an extra 10% off of your purchase on their website. I'll link that in the description below. In this one we're going to unbox it, I'll assemble it, I'll show you how to use it, and of course I'll give you my review of it in the end. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I'll link that playlist below as well. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so here we have all the different pieces. We are going to assemble this according to their instructions. So these little controller holders, they are going to attach into this piece here. You can see there's kind of an open slot and an extra little piece there. That's where that's going to slide in first. Push it in. There we go. And you can twist it in and that'll lock it into place. Do the same with that one. There we go. That's locked in place. Second step, it shows this piece going into the back of this. Heard a little click there. Then we're going to take this first piece that we were working with, and with the shiny side up and our controller pieces down, it clips in there. And then this all goes onto the base with the ANNAPRO symbol. Facing forward. That clipped right in nice and easy. Okay, so with the Quest 3 controllers or Quest 3S controllers, you can lengthen those out and these can just slide right in. And then they're nice and secure in there. They're definitely not going anywhere. And those can easily fold back in. You can also take off this top layer of film here, as this is more of a grippy piece that's going to hold your headset a little bit more secure. So let's take a look here at some of the features. On the side here we have a retraction cable, which is actually really handy. So this is a USB-C cable that's going to come out, and if we extend this out, we're looking at about 1.5 feet. And then if you just pull it a little bit once it's taut, it'll retract itself all the way back in. So that's really handy. Then on the back, we have 2 slots here for our batteries to be charging. So it is really nice that they sent 2 sets of batteries. One set of batteries can be in here, being charged, waiting as they're fully charged. When one runs out inside of your controllers, swap them out, and then you're good to go. So that is really nice that there are 2 sets of batteries coming with this one. On the back here, we also have the power port where this USB-C cord will go into the wall, and then we have a button for the light that I will show you in just a minute as well. And then we have a little QR code and stuff that's down there. So I do have right here the Quest 3, and I do have on it the ANNAPRO A3 Battery Max. A3 Max battery, sorry. If you want to check out my review of that head strap made by ANNAPRO, I'll link that below as well. Okay, so plugging that in, you can see we got nice lights going on now. If you want to turn off those lights, press the button. They will turn off and on. Let's put this on. There we go. And now I can pull out this charging cable to reach right here into the Quest 3, or it's plenty long. Oh, I made it retract. It's plenty long. I can even bring it right back into the battery there, and now it's charging. Plug in our headset and it's charging as well. So now I'm charging this and I'm charging the headset at the same time, which is pretty nice. So that's how you use it. It's pretty easy. These batteries, like I said, just go on the back, and yeah, that's really all you need for this. Okay, so I've been using the charging stand here for about 2 weeks now. Wanted to give you my review and just talk about it a little bit. So one thing that I like is that it is suitable for all VR headsets. You can easily use it for the 3, 3S Pro, or 2, and you can easily adjust these controller holders here in or out. If you want to use it for the 2, you could even leave them out as well, but you can easily pop them out there to be used for the 3, 3S and Pro. And as you can see here, the controller holders will fit with a controller grip as well. It might not fit with all of them, but it'll fit, I believe, with most standard controller grips. This is even an extended one it's a chargeable one with the battery, and it still fits right inside there, which is really nice to have. I like that the top here is grippy. It's just going to keep your Quest from sliding around at all. Going to keep it there nice and secure. Obviously it can still get bumped off. Hopefully you're keeping it somewhere where it won't get bumped off. If we go over to the side over here, I really love this retractable cord. What a good idea. I don't know why more people don't do that. It makes it easy if I need to charge the battery head strap. I've got plenty of cord to take it to the back, or if I just want to charge the Quest itself, I can use the shorter version of it and just plug it in there as well. And then when you're not using it at all, you can just retract it in so it's out of the way, keep things nice and clean and tidy. Great feature. I also like that you can charge the batteries in the back, and I love that it came with 2 sets of rechargeable batteries. So while you're using one, you can have another set in there ready to go for if you need to swap them out, so you're not waiting for your controller batteries to charge. Great feature. Great idea. I'm glad that they included that in there. Now, the 2 things that I feel like are missing with this are an extra USB-C port on the back. Maybe if you want to charge 2 things at the same time, or certain controllers like these ones here are charged via USB-C. Now I know that kind of counteracts what they're doing here with the rechargeable batteries, but it would be nice just to have that extra port availability to charge something else at the same time. And the other thing I feel like this is missing is just the base is very lightweight. There's no weight added to the base. Now when your Quest is on it, obviously things are weighted down and it's not going to tip over at all. It is a nice wide base, but I feel like with an extra little bit of weight on that base, it's just going to secure things even more and make you feel more certain of storing things on this base. So again, the retail price of this is $88 Canadian. On their website, you can use my promo code BrianSloanArtist for an extra 10% off of your purchase. I'll link that all in the description below so you can find that easy. If you have any questions about it, make sure to let me know in the comments or send me a message. I'm more than happy to help out in any way that I can. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, especially from ANNAPRO, check those ones out. I'll link that playlist in the description as well. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.